Wouldn't it be great if you could put lead gen and getting leads on autopilot? Honestly, it's really not that complicated. People overcomplicate this every day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through exactly what you need to do to simplify the process and to make lead gen or getting new leads automatic. Before we get started, make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the notifications so you know what's coming up, and let's go. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in LeadScripts, how we do it in LeadScripts, but it's the same principles for everything. What we're doing is we're going to create a PDF download so that we can give that to a potential lead and they give us their email address. And they're gonna want it, we're gonna get their email, and then we're gonna start sending them emails, nurturing them, and giving them all kinds of value so that they want to give us their money to buy our products. So, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have all the product details of our product or service or digital product, whatever. We need all those details so that we can create this PDF. So first things first, in LeadScripts, I make sure I have my product selected, and then I'm going to go to what we're going to focus on. Basically are the customer struggles, the 3 pains of the customer. So if I click on my product, I get the summary here, but I'm going to go to product details in LeadScripts. And whenever you add a product to LeadScripts, it's going to add over 80 plus details. It's going to automatically go and it's going to try to gather and figure out exactly all these details of your product so that you don't have to do it. You just go through and you kind of massage it like I'm going to do right now. And I've already done it, but what we're going to look at is problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3, because that's what we're going to focus on for the PDF. And in here, lead gen is one of the biggest problems for people who use LeadScripts. Information overload. You know, there's so much information out there that you don't know what to use or where to start, what's going to work. Well, the marketing built into LeadScripts works. It's proven marketing. It's already in there. You don't have to think about it. And another thing is persuading audience. Obviously, LeadScripts is the #1 AI copywriting solution because it persuades people. It has persuasion built into it, and that's the reason people come, and that's one of the biggest problems that they have. For you, if you don't use LeadScripts, it's fine. You need to figure out what is your ideal customer's biggest problems. When you come in, you create a product in LeadScripts, we also map out all your target audience for you. We help you with that, your pains and your fears, your dreams, desires, and a location so that we have all this information for your ideal customer. So you get your product and your ideal customer. Now, we're gonna go to marketing plans. I already have some created, so you can see those there, but I'm gonna click create plan. And then I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna find lead magnet PDF builder. Now, you could also just type it up here. You could just type lead magnet, it should come up. There it is, lead magnet PDF builder. Now if I click there, it's the same thing as clicking view plan down there. And this is going to show you exactly what's in it. Create lead magnet PDFs to use for your lead gen funnel. So you can, it's going to create a lead magnet 3-step PDF, 3-step guide, and it's also going to create a checklist. So all you need to do is click initialize plan. If it didn't have the information it needs, it's going to ask me for that information. And I wanted to point out another thing in here. There are a couple different things in here. These are the marketing plans. You can go to content, and if you go down here, there's a couple other things we can do. Step-by-step guide you can use as well. You can create a PDF guide there too. So while that's generating, I'm going to go to chat. You can use Oscar, or you can use ChatGPT. So let's say we know our pain points, our pains and fears, lead gen, information overload, and persuading audience. So my ideal customer has difficulty in create a checklist of 3 things that would be helpful. Okay, so right there's one that you could use. You know, I could use this as a simple checklist of 3 things to use as a download if I wanted to. So that's kind of like if you want to use chat, whatever. There's some different ways you can do that. But anyway, it looks like it's done. So I'm going to go to the results. I initialize a plan. It's great. It's there. So now here we go. A 3-step guide. I'm just going to say 5 secrets to writing compelling, converting ad copy. Well, I'd say it's 3. So I'll just save that. 3-step guide. Identify your ideal customer persona, craft tailored messages. Now, look, what do I have right here? I have a PDF download, and then I can just download it. I can print it and save it as, you might not be able to save it as PDF like that. And that's what you're going to give them. Now that you have the marketing copy and another checklist, you can just add them to a document and save it as a PDF, and like this, for example, double your leads, lead magnet. This is a checklist that I give for free. You give me your email address, and then you have the lead magnet blueprint. Here's a checklist. It tells you exactly what you need. It's something as simple as that. You can create that simply right in LeadScripts, and now I actually have 2 of them that I can give away. I can just add the copy to a PDF and then add it to the funnel. Now, if you need the funnel, that's a different video. You can go in here and you can create it. You can use the lead magnet funnel and it will create the copy for the lead magnet funnel, or you can go to marketing plans again and you can do double your leads blueprint. There's just all kinds of them in here. Like if you just click lead magnet, different things that you can click on. So, and you can use tools you can use for that. So to recap, you need to know the details of your product. You need to create your customer persona so that you know their pains. In this case, we're going to use pains. So their pains, their fears, dreams, their desires, and where they're at and all that. And then we're going to use those pains and create a simple 3-step guide or a checklist. Offer that in exchange for the email. That gets the handshake. We can start sending them emails. We create that level of trust and also, expertise. It shows that you know what you're talking about and you're helping them. You're providing value and they're going to want to buy from you and they're going to want to use your expertise because they're going to get overwhelmed because there's so much information out there that it's just like they just want a solution. They want to hit the button and be done with it. Go create a 3-step guide or a checklist. Start offering that for email and a lead magnet funnel, and then start nurturing those leads, and then you'll lead to a lot of sales. So I'm Craig from LeadScripts. If you haven't tried LeadScripts, make sure you check it out, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.